I'm doing this.
Well, listen,
Come on, baby, let's fuck in the bathroom. Let's get some STDs from the public bathroom. Hell fucking yeah.
Right?
Let's go, baby.
Wait a second while I tell you my plan. You seem like an adventurous girl. What we're gonna do, you're gonna go to that restroom and I'm just gonna bang your brains out.
Oh my god.
Oh my
God. No, just...
Well, just quickly, 3-4 minutes.
Just a quickie.
You're a pervert, and I want you to leave my table. I'm sure you have.
I'm gonna
really,
leave.
you need to leave.
I'm gonna leave
This
the
is
table.
No.
Yeah.
I tell you what I'm gonna do.
No.
You're gonna love it. I'm gonna leave the table. I'll go and wait there.
Okay.
Get ready, you know, so to speak. You come and join me in like 30 seconds so that people don't see us going together. All right?
Listen,
Oh my
really,
God, this
is
guy.
totally inappropriate, extremely offensive, and I have been very clear.
I get it. You're a shy girl,
my
but trust me, this is gonna be
God.
like the best 5 minutes of your
No,
entire
seriously.
life.
Holy
Just
fucking
wonderful.
Just leave.
shit.
Get lost. No more.
I've had
I
a
don't want-
coffee
not
shop
another
date
word.
with a
You do.
schizophrenic, and it was
But
way
just-
better
Freaking me
than
out.
this.
Give me-
This
No,
girl
I don't-
Wait until you
sucks. I mean, like I
Extremely
said,
creepy.
mentally people
I want you
make
to leave.
for more interesting
Extremely creepy.
people in
creepy.
general.
Look,
So
okay,
here you
look, I've had it
go.
with you. It's like,
Okay,
oh,
just- I
please
don't-
take
I don't wanna
$1 million.
hear it.
No, I don't want it.
wanna hear
No, I don't want it. Keys, drive it. No, I don't want it. Okay, fine. I'm going.
Okay, go.
True gentleman.
True gentleman. True gentleman. True gentleman. Bro. I fucking can't. True gentleman. Can't. True gentleman. True gentleman. True gentleman. Fuck! I'm fucking dying! Fucking can't. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. All right. Okay, let's continue. Oh my god. True gentleman. Thank you for the super chat, Nero. I appreciate it. Oh my god, I'm laughing in a bus station like a ghoul right now. Based. So I take her number. What the fuck was that sound?
True gentleman.
Thank you. Thank you for the donation. Thank you for the $4 tip each. Oh my god. Let's just take her number.
True gentleman.